mensuration.
Surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder.
Solid shapes. In your earlier classes, you have studied that two-dimensional figures can be identified as the faces of three-dimensional shapes. Observe the solids which we have discussed so far. Surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Cuboid. This is a cuboid. Let us see how it looks after you open it. You can see that cuboid has three pairs of identical faces. What expression can you use to find the area of each face? The total surface area of a cuboid is area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 plus area 4 plus area 5 plus area 6 is equal to height into length plus breadth into length plus breadth into height plus length into height plus breadth into height plus length into breadth. As faces first and fourth, third and fifth, second and sixth are identical, total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into bracket height into length plus 2 into bracket breadth into height plus 2 into bracket breadth into length is equal to 2 into bracket length breadth plus breadth height plus height and length. Where H, L and B are the height, length and width of the cuboid respectively. Suppose the height, length and width of the box shown above are 20 cm, 15 cm and 10 cm respectively. Then the total surface area of cuboid will be 2 into bracket 20 into 15 plus 20 into 10 plus 10 into 15. That is equal to 2 into bracket 300 plus 200 plus 150 comes to 1300 centimeters square. Cylinders. Most of the cylinders we observe are right circular cylinders. For example, a tin, round pillars, tube lights, water pipes, etc. When you tape the parts of this cylinder together, the length of the rectangular strip is equal to the circumference of the circle. Record the radius, that is r, of the circular base. It will give us circumference by formula 2 pi r. Now measure the length L. Is 2 pi r is equal to length of the strip? Yes. The total surface area of a cylinder is equal to pi r square plus 2 pi r h plus pi r square, that is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Take 2 pi r common and we get 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. Find the total surface area of the cylinder given. As we know, total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. Now put the values of pi, r and h. We get 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 plus 8. The result of the calculation is 1936. Volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is called its volume. Remember, we use square units to find the area of a region. Here, we will use cubic units to find the volume of a solid, as cube is the most convenient solid shape. Cubic units which we generally use to measure volume are 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter comes to 1 centimeter cube. So 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter comes to 1000 millimeter cube. So 1 cubic meter is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter comes to 1 meter cube. 1 cubic millimeter is equal to 1 millimeter into 1 millimeter into 1 millimeter comes to 1 millimeter cube. We now find some expressions to find volume of a cuboid, cube and cylinder. Let us take each solid one by one. First, volume of cylinder. Cylinder has got a top and a base which are congruent and parallel to each other. Its lateral surface is also perpendicular to the base. The volume of cylinder is equal to area of base into height, that is, pi r square into height. Therefore, the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now, volume and capacity. There is not much difference between these two words. A. Volume refers to the amount of space occupied by an object. B. Capacity refers to the quantity that a container holds. Note: if water tin holds 100 cubic centimeter of water, then the capacity of the water tin is 100 cubic centimeter. Capacity is also measured in terms of liters. The relation between liter and cubic centimeter is 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Thus, 1 cubic meter is equal to 10 lakh cubic centimeter is equal to 1000 liter. Surface area of a solid is the sum of the areas of its faces. Surface area of a cube, cuboid and cylinder. Amount of region occupied by a solid is called its volume. 5. Volume of a cube, cuboid and cylinder. Difference between volume and capacity. So that is all in this topic. Mathematics is very interesting. So enjoy learning.